Did you know that having the right tools can increase your gardening productivity by up to 50%? That's right. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, the tools you use can make a huge difference. Let's find out which tools you absolutely need. Today, we're diving into the 5 essential gardening tools that every gardener must have to make their gardening experience more efficient and enjoyable. These tools will not only save you time but also enhance your gardening skills. So, stick around as we explore what you should have in your gardening arsenal. Many gardeners struggle with using the wrong tools, leading to frustration, wasted time, and less successful gardening outcomes. Imagine spending hours digging with a flimsy spade or trying to prune with dull shears. It's not just annoying, it can actually hinder your gardening progress. You might find yourself battling weeds or dealing with uneven soil, all because you didn't have the right gear. It can feel like you're working against nature instead of alongside it. But don't worry, today we're going to fix that. Now, let's explore each of the 5 essential tools in detail. First up, we have a quality pair of garden gloves. These aren't just for looks, they protect your hands from cuts and scrapes while providing grip and control. Next, a good set of hand tools, like a trowel and a weeder, is crucial for planting and tending to your garden. These tools make digging, planting, and pulling weeds much easier and more efficient. Moving on, let's talk about a watering can or hose with a spray nozzle. This is essential for keeping your plants hydrated, especially during hot summer days. A watering can allows for precision, while a hose lets you cover larger areas more quickly. Then, we can't forget about the garden fork. This tool is perfect for turning soil, mixing in compost, and aerating your garden beds. It's a game changer for healthy plant growth. Finally, the last tool on our list is a quality pair of pruning shears. Whether you're trimming back overgrown plants or shaping your garden, sharp shears are vital. They help you make clean cuts, promoting healthy growth and preventing damage to your plants. Each of these tools plays a unique role, and together they can significantly improve your gardening process. Plus, I'll share some tips on how to use them effectively as we go along. Now, the moment every gardener will look forward to is discovering the ultimate tool that can transform their gardening game and make tasks a breeze. Drum roll, please. It's the garden cart. This handy tool can carry all your supplies, plants, and tools around your garden with ease. No more backbreaking trips to and from the shed. With a garden cart, you can save your energy for the actual gardening instead of hauling stuff around. It's a total game changer for efficiency and comfort in your gardening routine. To wrap up, we've covered the 5 must-have tools that can elevate your gardening skills and make your time in the garden more productive and enjoyable. Remember, having the right tools not only makes your gardening tasks easier but also enhances your overall experience. So, grab those gloves, get your trowel, and let's get planting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which tool you can't live without. Share your gardening stories and tips with us, we'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening, everyone!